Good morning, student. In last lecture, we started with the topic of probability distribution. Okay, last lecture we had completed question number 72. Now, question number 73. Find the probability distribution of the number of doublets in 3 throws of pair of dice. Means here our experiment is we have to throw a pair of dice 3 times. Okay, so total number of element in sample space. First time તમે throw કરશો ત્યારે 36, second time throw કરશો ત્યારે 36 અને third time throw કરશો ત્યારે પાછા 36. Okay, and your random variable is number of doublets. તો number of doublets ની કેટલી possibility? તો કે ત્રણમાંથી એકેય વખત doublet નો આવે. You get one time, you get two times, or you get all the three times doublet. When you throw a pair of dice one time, then what is the possibility of you get doublet? That is the 6 by 36. Because જ્યારે pair of dice throw કરશો ત્યારે total 36 elements and you have 6 doublets in that, that is 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 and 6 6. Okay, so number of doublets ની possibility 6 by 36 and number of doublets ના આવે એની probability that is 30 by 36. એક વખત pair of dice throw કરશો ત્યારે doublet આવે એની probability 6 by 36 અને ન આવે એની probability 30 by 36 and possible values for random variable is 0 1 2 and 3. Okay, so first we will find the p of x is equals to 0. Means 0 time you will get doublet, means all 3 times કારણ કે આપણે pair of dice throw કેટલી વાર કરવાની છે 3 times, so all the 3 times you will not get doublet. Clear? So first time doublet no have any probability 30 by 36, I can write 5 by 6. Second time a doublet no have any probability, again 5 by 6. Third time have any probability, third time na have any probability, again 5 by 6. ત્રણ માંથી એક વખત doublet નો આવજો, means first time ના આવે 5 by 6, second time નો આવે 5 by 6, third time નો આવે 5 by 6. So that is 5 into 5 into 5, 125 upon 216. Probability of this is 5 by 6 and probability of that is 1 by 6. Second case, p of x is equals to 1 means you get one doublet and 2 times you will not get doublet. Clear? હવે કોઈ એક ટાઈમ આવે means either first time or second time or third time, means I can write 3c1 ત્રણ માંથી કોઈ એક વખત આવે, so multiply with 3c1. પછી first એક માં doublet આવે એની probability લખવાની અને other two માં ન આવે એની લખવાનું. ત્રણ માંથી કોઈ એક જગ્યાએ doublet આવે એની probability લખવાની અને બે જગ્યાએ ન આવે એની લખવાની, કારણ કે આગળ આપણે ઓલરેડી 3c1 કે ત્રણ માંથી એક વખત આવે છે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરી નાખ્યું છે. એક્ચ્યુઅલ માં એનો મતલબ શું થાય કે તમે ત્રણ કેસ લ્યો કે ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ આવે, સેકન્ડ ને થર્ડ ટાઈમ નો આવે, ફર્સ્ટ ને થર્ડ ટાઈમ નો આવે, સેકન્ડ ટાઈમ આવે, ફર્સ્ટ અને સેકન્ડ ટાઈમ નો આવે, થર્ડ ટાઈમ આવે. So you have to multiply with ultimately 3 times, so that is 3c1. So 3 into 25 upon 216, so answer is 75 upon 216. And p of x is equal to 2. Means 2 times you will get doublet and 1 time you will not get doublet. ત્રણ માંથી કોઈ બે વખત આવે means 3c 2 times, 2 times doublet આવવા જોઈએ તો 2 times doublet આવે એની probability લખી નાખો, that is 1 by 6 અને એક વખત ના આવે એની લખી નાખો, so that is 5 by 6. 3c2 again 3, that is 5 upon 216, so that is 15 upon 216. And last is p of x is equals to 3. means you will get 3 times doublet and 0 time not get doublet. Third time doublet આવવું જોઈએ. First time આવે એની probability 1/6, second time આવે એની 1/6 અને third time આવે એની 1/6. That is 216. So your probability distribution table, random variable x, corresponding probability. First random variable is 0. Probability is 125/216. Second is 1. Probability is 75/216. Then 2. Probability is 15/216. Last 3. Probability is 1/216. Answer સાચું છે કે નહીં કેમ ખબર પડશે? So you have to add all this. You will get answer 1. 125 plus 75 200 plus 215 plus 1 216/216. So that is 1. This your answer is true. Okay. Next question 74 homework mark. Is in homework. 75. Let x represent the difference between the number of head and number of tails obtained when a coin tossed 6 times. Find the possible values of x. આ probability find નથી કરવાની, ખાલી તમારે x ની possible values જ find કરવાની છે, બરાબર? કે head અને tail વચ્ચેનો difference and you have to toss a coin 6 times. So either you will get 6 head 0 tail, 5-1, 4-2, 3-3, 2-4, 1-5, 0-6. So here difference is 6, 4, 2, 0, 2 minus 4, minus 2 ની difference કીધો છે means it is a modulus. બરાબર કે head અને tail વચ્ચેનો difference પછી એમાં minus 2 નો આવે, so it is again 2. It is 4 and it is 6. So possible values of x are 0, 2, 4 and 6. Easy, you can do by yourself. જો તમે કરી જ નહીં હો then also it is in homework. Question number 75. 76. Find the probability distribution of number of heads obtained when we have to toss coin 4 times. Question number 76. Experiment is toss the coin 4 times. Okay. So it's also easy question. First you have to write sample space. So sample space 4 times coin toss કરીને કેમ લખી નાખવાની? તો કે 3 times coin toss કરો ને ઈ લખી ઈ બે વખત લખી નાખો. અને 4 times પછી ક્યારેક મિસ્ટેક થાય છે કે એકાદો એલિમેન્ટ લખવાનો રહી જાય છે. So 3 times ની તો તમને આવડે છે HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, TTT, TTH, THT and HTT. બરાબર ઈ પાછી બીજી વખત લખી નાખો HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, TTT, TTH, THT, last one is HTT. પછી પહેલી વખત જે લખી એમાં લાસ્ટમાં બધામાં એ જ આપી દો અને સેકન્ડ ટાઈમ લખી એમાં બધામાં લાસ્ટમાં T આપી દો. So that is the sample space of toss of coin 4 times. Now here random variable x is number of head. So possible values of number of head: 0 time, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time and 4 times. બરાબર 0 time head આવે એવો એક જ એલિમેન્ટ, that is TTT. So probability is 1/16. 1 time head આવે, mark that elements. You will get only 1 time head. First one, second, third, fourth. So that is 4/16. 2 times head. 5 and 6. 6 by 16. 3 times Z. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that is 4 by 16. 4 times Z. 1. That is 1 by 16. So that is the probability distribution for close to the point 4 times, and your random variable is number of heads. Next question. Question number 77. Find the probability distribution of number of success in two tosses of die. First, a number greater than 4 is considered as success. 6 appears at least once is considered as success. હવે અત્યાર સુધી ડાયરેક્ટલી આપણને કોઈ એમ જ આપતા કે 4 કેટલા ટાઈમ્સ હોય, જેમ કે ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન છે, પણ આમાં સેકન્ડ ક્વેશ્ચન થોડો અલગ ટાઈપનો છે. સો હિયર રેન્ડમ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ ઇઝ two toss of a die. Okay, in first question your random variable is number greater than 4. Number greater than 4. So તમે જ્યારે બે die toss કરશો, so first your sample space is 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 and 6 6. That is your sample space. Now number greater than 4 is your random variable. So possible values of x. 0 time you will get number greater than 4 means બેમાંથી એક વખત 4 કરતા મોટો નંબર નો આવે, 4 કરતા greater number નો આવે. Either you will get one time number greater than 4 and both the time you will get number greater than 4. So that are the possible values of your random variable. 0 time number greater than 4 કેટલા એલિમેન્ટ આવશે? 1 2 3 4 1 4. It is not greater than 4, it is 4. આપણને greater than 4 કીધું છે, તો એકેય વખત 4 કરતા વધારે નંબર નો આવે એવા કેટલા એલિમેન્ટ્સ હશે? 16 elements, in which 0 time you will get number greater than 4. So answer is 16 by 36. Answer is 16 by 36. Right? You will get one time number greater than 4. Only one time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. આટલા એલિમેન્ટ એવા થશે કે જેમાં એક જ વખત 4 કરતા વધારે નંબર આવશે, એક વખત નહીં આવે. So that is 8 plus 8 again 16 by 36. Both the times number greater than 4. So there are 4 elements. So answer is 4 by 36. So that is probability distribution. It's an easy question, but second one is easy પણ એમાં મિસ્ટેક થવાના ચાન્સ છે. 6 appear at least one. That is your random variable. ખાલી એટલું કીધું હોત ને કે 6 appears your random variable is only how many times 6 appears. तो easy હતું કે 0 time આવે, 1 time આવે અને 2 time આવે. Easy. But here it is given 6 appear, at least one is your success. At least one means 1 અને 2 ને તમારે એક જ પાર્ટમાં કન્સિડર કરવાનું છે. At least one માં 1 અને 2 આવી જાય means you will get success one time. You will get success one time. બરાબર. તો actually x ની બે જ વેલ્યુ થશે 0 and 1 means success 0 time and success 1 time. But success 0 time માં 6 appears 0 time and success 1 માં 6 appear at least one time. At least one time means it is for one time or two times. आप बेने તમારે one માં જ કન્સિડર કરવાનું. It is your success. બરાબર. તો 0 time માં કેટલા એલિમેન્ટ આવશે? તો કે 5 5 5 5 અહીં સુધીના. તો it is 25 by 36. 25 by 36. Success one time means you will get at least one time 6. At least one time 6 માં તો કે આ 6 અને આ 5. So that is 11 by 36. I mean mistake શું થશે? રેન્ડમ વેરિયેબલ માં by mistake you will take 0 1 and 2 કે 2 times 6 આવે એની અલગથી લખું નો. એ આમાં જ આવી જશે. You will get success one time. It is equal to you will get 6 at least one time. Okay, it's a textbook question. એટલે આમાં mistake થાય છે મોસ્ટલી સ્ટુડન્ટ ને. એટલે આમાં ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખજો. Next question. Question number 78. A coin is biased so that head is 3 times likely to occur as a tail. If the coin is tossed twice, find the probability distribution of number of tails. હવે probability distribution the number of tails નું કીધું છે, but coin is biased અને કેટલી વાર થ્રો કરવાનો છે? We have to throw it twice. Biased coin throw twice. But here probability of head is equal to what is given? Head is 3 times likely to occur as a tail. It is equal to 3 into probability of tail. Okay, means P of H is equals to 3 into P of T. Head avani probability, tail avani probability karta 3 times hai. We know that when you throw a coin, either head will come or tail will come, means main addition 1 is thase. Now put this value. So 3 into P of T plus P of T is equals to 1. So P of T is equals to 1 by 4. From that we will get P of H is equals to 3 into 1 by 4. So it is 3 by 4. So P of H and P of T. P of H is 3 by 4 and P of T is 1 by 4. Here our Semco space is HH, HT, TH and TT. Okay. Now what is random variable? Random variable is if the coin is thrown, find the probability distribution of number of tails. So my random variable is number of tails. So possible values of x is either you will get 0 time tail, number of tails 0 means 0 time tail. Okay, 0 tail means both the heads. Okay, so Q element આવશે? Element will be HH. Element will be HH. H ની probability 1/4 into, sorry, h ની probability 3/4 into, again you will get h is 3/4, so that is 9/16. Probability of x is equals to 1 means you will get 1 time tail. Similarly, second time you will get head, 1 tail 1 head. So elements will be ht or th. Any probability h have any probability 3/4, head have any 1/4, same 1/4 3/4. So answer is 3 plus 3 6/16. Then p of x is equals to 2 means you will get 2 times tails and 0 times head. Means you have to find the probability of tt. It is 1/4 into 1/4, so it is 1/16. બરાબર, biased point છે એટલે probability બધી change થઈ ગઈ. So probability distribution x p of x 0 1 2. Probability of 0 is 9/16. It is 6/16 and last one is 1/16. So that is your probability distribution. 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 1 16/16 is 1. Means my answer is correct. Next question, question number 79. A die is constructed in such a way that probability of getting a number on top is proportional to the square of the number. Find the probability distribution of the integers obtained when it rolls once. Also find p of x greater than 4. Here mainly dice આપણે generally throw કરી તો બધાની equal probability લે 1/6 1/6, but અહીંયા એવું નથી. અહીંયા તમને શું કીધું છે કે 1 આવે એની probability a નંબરના સ્ક્વેર ના proportion માં છે. Means p of x is equals to 1 is equals to k into 1. Same 2 આવે that is proportional to 2 square, means p of x is equals to 2 is equals to k into 2 square. Similarly for 3 4 5 6. Okay, so અહીંયા probability કઈ રીતે થશે? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 1 આવે એની probability k, 2 આવે એની 2 square means 4k. Similarly p of x is equals to 3 will be k into 3 square, so that is 9k. K into 4 square 16k. K into 5 square 25k. K into 6 square 36. બરાબર, તમારે પહેલા આ રીતે બધાના લખવાના. એમ 1 2 3 ના લખ્યા છે, you have to write 4 5 and 6 જો બોર્ડમાં થિયરીમાં એક્ઝામ ક્વેશ્ચન આવે તો. So that is the probability. હવે આપણને ખબર છે કે probability distribution કરો તો બધી probability નો addition 1 થવું જોઈએ. means first we need to find the value of k. So here k plus 4k plus 9k plus 16k plus 25k plus 26k is equals to 1. So 36 plus 25, that is 41 51 61. 61 plus 16 77. 77 plus 9 86. 4 90 91. 91 91 and 1 plus 4 5 14 30 55 19. So a is equals to 1. A is equals to 1/90. Now question is, find the probability distribution of integers obtained when it rolls 1. Means random variable x integer જ છે. So either it is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 5 or 6. Respective probability, it is k, so 1 by 91. 4k is 4 by 91. 9k is 9 by 91. 16k is 16 by 91. 25k is 25 by 91. Last is 36k. It is 36 by 91. So that is the respective probabilities of number you will get at the top of the dice. Second question, you have to find p of x greater than 4. So p of x greater than 4 is equal to p of x is equal to 5 or p of x is equal to 6. So x is equals to 5 is 25 by 91. X is equals to 6 is 36 by 91. So 36 by plus 21 is 61 by 8. That is the answer. So that's it for probability distribution. In next lecture, we will start with the new topic, that is mean and variance of the random variable. Mean and variance તમે 11th standard માં સ્ટેટિસ્ટિક ચેપ્ટર માં કર્યા હતા. થોડી ઘણી થિયરી ટાઈપ ની આવશે. આમાં આપણને પ્રોબેબિલિટી માટેના મીન અને વેરિયન્સ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના છે. એની ફોર્મ્યુલાઝ એ રીતે આવી છે. બટ એના માટે મીન અને વેરિયન્સ ફાઇન્ડ કરવા માટે તમને પ્રોબેબિલિટી ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશનનું ટેબલ બનાવતા તો આવડવું જ જોઈએ. આ ટોપિક સમજાણો હશે તો જ મીન અને વેરિયન્સ તમે ફાઇન્ડ કરી શકશો. બરાબર, એટલે આ ખાસ આવડવું જોઈએ. If you know the probability distribution table, how to make a probability distribution table, then and then you can find mean and variance. Okay, we will start in next lecture. Thank you.